In this video, I'll show you how to personalize emails in Brevo in just 5 minutes, making your campaigns stand out and get better engagement. First, log into your Brevo account. If you don't have one yet, creating an account is quick and easy. Once you're in, head over to the Campaigns tab and click Create a Campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want, regular or A/B test. Then name it and fill in your sender information. Make sure your recipients will recognize and trust this sender. Next, design your email. You can pick a template or start from scratch using the drag and drop editor, text editor, or even HTML. Add personalization by including your recipient's name or other details in the subject line and body to make your email feel tailored. Before sending, preview and test your email across devices and clients to ensure it looks perfect. Once satisfied, schedule your campaign at a time that matches your audience's habits to maximize open rates. And that's it. With these steps, your Brevo emails are personalized and ready to make an impact. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick email marketing tips.